Hi, it's Jay Fisher again. Today's session, I'm going to talk about how you go about preparing yourself to upload your QRDA1 files to the ACO systems. There's a process you have to go through. You have to download an SFTP tool. I'm going to walk you through that and then how to configure that tool. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you'll need is a link where you can download the SFTP tool. The tool we use is something called FileZilla. You'll have to be this link, and we'll put the link on the website as well. We're right next to this video. Copy this link. Be sure and use this link. There's a number of other places where you can download FileZilla. Some of them have advertising and other things. This is the one that results in the official and the safe download. Once you click the link, you'll be presented with a page that looks something like this: FileZilla. Download the FileZilla client. There's going to be a bunch of options. Almost all of us are going to choose this option, the FileZilla Windows 64 setup. Click that. The system will download a setup tool. You have to click on the setup tool to run it. And when it's done with the download and running FileZilla, you get a screen that looks a little bit like this. There'll be more of the screen on the bottom of the page, but this is the important part to pay attention to. So the first step here, once you have the FileZilla tool, is to create a new site, which is the name of the destination for the ACO. So we're going to walk you through how to do that now. So you'll click on the site manager right here, and that'll bring up a pop-up. The pop-up will look something like this. On that pop-up, you're going to want to click down here to click New Site. When the new site pops up, you'll get an icon right here. You'll click on this icon and rename it. Call it UCMC ACO. It doesn't really matter what you use, but this is probably going to be the only thing you'll do with this particular FileZilla. So let's set it up to tell FileZilla or to tell you the name of where you're going to be sending data. Once you've done that, just fill in the rest of the screen. So here's the values to put in under the protocol and the host. The logon type will always be normal. There's a drop down here. And then your username and password. So you'll get a separate email with username and password, either from me or Shannon, or another member of the ACO team. So you'll log those in, and when you're done, click connect on the bottom of the page. So this is a one-time startup. Once you've done this part, every time you open FileZilla, it'll come to this page for you. So once you've got FileZilla set up, the next step is to actually start transferring data from your system to the ACO system. So what you'll do is in this window here, which says local site, you'll just navigate. You click on that, and it'll navigate to a location on your system. So just navigate to the location where your QRDA1 files are located. Your names are probably going to be a lot different than this. These are just dummy names. And then once you've done that, and you have all of the files that you want to transmit in this left-hand window, simply click and drag the files. You can drag them one at a time. You can do Control click or Shift click and grab all of them and drag them over into this lower window here. Do the drag. As soon as you release the mouse key to do that, those files are going to transfer. This pane down here will show the progress of those transfers. And when it's done, simply close down FileZilla, and someone from the ACO will be giving you a call because they'll receive a notice that the data has been transferred. That's all there is to it.